Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use Bitmoji on your phone. So let's start. First open Google Play Store and search for Bitmoji app. This app is completely free. So download it and open it right now. You can either continue with Snapchat or sign up with email. I will sign up with my email. Now you have to enter your date of birth and tap continue. Now enter your email and password to sign up. Now select your gender. And then the app asks you to start with a selfie. I'll just skip this process. You have to start off by selecting your skin tone. Then swipe right and choose your hair color, then your hairstyle. Then your hair treatment. Select the type of facial hair you have. And the color of your facial hair. Now select your eye shape. Eye size. And eye spacing. Now select your eye color. Then your eyebrows. And the color of your eyebrows. Then pick up the shape of your nose. Now select the eyewear you like. Now select your jawline. Then your face shape. Then your mouth. And your ears. I'll just skip all of this and select a headwear. Now you have to select your body type and an outfit. You can change your tops if you want to, as well as your bottoms, footwear, and socks. You can also select an outerwear. Now tap on Save Avatar. And your avatar will be saved. And you can use your avatar sticker on your Samsung keyboard if you are on Samsung device. Now tap on Finish on top right corner. Now tap on Stickers on bottom left corner to see all the stickers. Now let's use the sticker. I'll just open the messaging app and tap on Stickers. And here you will see all of your Bitmoji sticker. You have to add a recipient before you attach any files. So I'll just add a recipient right now. And then attach a sticker. And that's how you set up and use Bitmoji. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.